guys, welcome to today's video. So I'm just going to be doing a eye look for you guys today, and then I'm just going to be doing kind of a day out look. It's going to be a little bit red and like, you know, just kind of like a cute summer look. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Alright, so I'm just going to be dipping into the Subculture palette, and I'm just going to be taking Roxy, which is that pinky shade. I'm just going to be placing this in my crease. So I'm just kind of tapping it on the outer part of my eye, and then I'm just going to look straight. And then this is just going to go in my crease, so that's where it should be. Just going to take that blending brush again and just really disperse that color. So once we have that color on our eyes, I'm just going to be going in I'm just going to be dabbing into the Eden color, which is just kind of like a more pinky color. This is just going to be going on the like outer lid part. I'm just going to be taking this Luxie 207 brush and just kind of sweeping it in patting motions across the lid. So this is kind of how our eyes are looking. I'm just going to be taking the Prism palette. I'm just going to be dipping into that Lucid color, which is kind of like an iridescent, reflective, like green-yellow. So I'm just going to start by spraying my brush, just getting it wet so the pigment adheres better. Dipping it right into that. And then I'm just going to pat that at the start of the eye. Alright, and then again with that pencil brush, I'm just going to be dipping into Roxy, which is that like first shade we use, and then this is just going to be going on the outer corner. Alright, just like that, we are done with the shadow. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop on some mascara, and I'll be coming right back. Alright, and then this is the final look. This is our little daytime summer look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. It's definitely super simple. I feel like all you guys at home can definitely attempt this. I want to see you guys recreate these looks and tag MMA Troy. And then go ahead and tag my makeup page, Makeup by Konnor, so I can see all the fun looks that you guys have created. So until next time, bye guys.